Have you ever noticed how often you use words like he, mine, or each other without thinking about it? These little words are called pronouns, and they're absolute lifesavers when it comes to making your sentences smooth and snappy. Let's break down the main types of pronouns one by one so you can master them and make your English even clearer. First up, personal pronouns. These are your go-to words for talking about people, animals, or things. Think I, you, he, she, it, we, they. And don't forget the object forms like me, him, her, us, and them. Instead of saying Tom likes Tom's dog, I can just say he likes his dog. So much tidier, right? Next, we've got possessive pronouns. These show who owns what. Words like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs tell you exactly whose stuff we're talking about. For example, this book is mine, that one is yours. Easy. Now, reflexive pronouns. These are a bit special. They end in self or selves, and they point right back to the subject. For example, I made myself a sandwich, or they did it themselves. It's like a boomerang in your sentence, always coming back to the subject. Moving on to demonstrative pronouns. These are your pointers, this, that, these, those. Use them when you want to show exactly what you mean, like, this is delicious, or those were amazing. Interrogative pronouns are the question askers. Who, whom, whose, which, and what. Like, who is at the door? Or, which is your favorite? Relative pronouns connect parts of a sentence. Words like who, whom, whose, which, and that join two ideas together. The student who studies hard will succeed. The word who connects the student and studies hard. Don't forget indefinite pronouns. These are for when you aren't being specific. Someone, anyone, everyone, no one, nobody, something, anything, everything, and more. For instance, everyone is welcome, or is there anything to eat? And finally, reciprocal pronouns. Just to, each other, and one another. They show a shared action or feeling. They hugged each other, or we help one another. So there you have it. The main types of pronouns in a nutshell. Next time you're speaking or writing, notice how these pronouns help you avoid repeating yourself and keep your sentences smooth. Happy learning!